Sampling and recruitment information will be found in the same place as the sample description. Again, this is in the method section, most commonly under a participants or a sample subheading. Sampling and recruitment information will be different than our sample description. We're not looking to describe the sample and report information on that. We're looking to report any information that the researchers gave on strategies for obtaining their sample, what specific segments of the population they're looking for, and or their recruitment approach, how exactly they're looking to gather this sample from the public or within a certain institution. We'll go over our religious coping article and then one example. In our religious coping article that we were coding through these videos, the sample is obtained internally through a list at the administration level of the college in this study, and it's narrowed down to Asian Americans because that is what the researchers want to study. In our second article, we'll be going over a national data set. Data sets have already been collected, sampled, recruited. So most authors are doing a secondary analysis and creating a subsample out of a publicly available national data set, or even using the data set as a whole. So within a religious coping article, the second paragraph in the methods section will describe the sampling and recruitment. So it says that they recruited through the email list, through the registrar's office, and the sample was lowered based on religious identity and the missingness of the responses to their survey. And then at the end of the paragraph, it describes non-monetary course credit and monetary compensation for participating in the study. So that will apply to recruitment. So we're going to go ahead and just copy the whole paragraph. Most often it's better to just try and get as much information as you can about sampling and recruitment. Sometimes it'll be hard, it'll be scattered through a couple different paragraphs. One paragraph will have just 2 to 3 sentences in the middle about recruitment. Maybe the sample description is at the top, but then they go on to explain something else before they explain recruitment. So just read through the entire method section and make sure we get all that information. And our example article, Beyond Age at First Sex, we're going to follow this get it link, and we can go to the methods section in this article. They're going to describe that they used a national data set that was already available. So right here, this first sentence describes that. Second sentence just explains that the specific sampling and recruitment strategies have been described in the original research. So these 2 sentences are perfectly fine to copy for the sampling of this article. You can go ahead and copy the rest of the paragraph if you feel that wouldn't be wrong. It describes how the sample is narrowed. Specifically, that would be their sampling strategy. And that's it.